Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to the English class by Kiranjeet Kaur. I'll be your mentor for the day, and today we are here to learn our first lesson of grammar, that is nouns. So today we are going to learn nouns. Okay. What are nouns? Nouns are the names. Names of anything. Names of place, person, things, group, emotion, or idea. Name of any person, just like Mohan. Mohan is the name of that person. This is a noun. Here you can see the place and it is a hospital. So this is a noun. Think, this is a mango. You can see here. So name of this thing is mango. Okay. So whenever we see the names of any person, place, or things, these are called nouns. So there are many more nouns. Today we are going to discuss in detail. Here we start the types of nouns. There are 5 kinds and one by one we are going to discuss each. The first comes proper nouns. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the names of a particular person, things, or places. These are called proper nouns. A name of a particular place or thing. For example, if we talk about the name of particular person, Michael Jackson, Mahatma Gandhi, Harry Potter, these are the names of particular persons. When you take these names, you get a visualization of that person, that whom I'm talking about. Names of months. Names of months, January, February, these all names of months are proper nouns because we are talking about particular months. Same way, names of the days of week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these all are proper nouns. Names of festivals, names of countries, names of capitals, names of cities, names of any famous place, just like Statue of Liberty, the Taj Mahal. These all are proper nouns. Even the names of oceans, mountains, books, which have particular names, just like the Ramayana, Gita, Mahabharata. These are the names of particular books. So these all are proper nouns. If I talk about the names of rivers, for say Ganga, Yamuna, these are the names. Names of what? Particular rivers. Okay. So we call them proper nouns. Always keep this thing note in a mind that whenever we write a proper noun, we always start the first letter with a capital letter. Proper noun is always written with the first capital letter. Okay. I hope it's clear till here. Let's continue then. Next comes common noun. What are common nouns? The nouns which name a thing or a class of people, buildings, things, objects, animals, these which have common characteristics, which are similar to each other. These all are called common nouns. When we talk about general things, just like let's say boy. If we use the word boy, boy is a common noun. But we don't know that which boy I'm talking about. So boy, girl, these all are common nouns. So same way, carpenter, magician, farmer, these words, these names are names of human beings, but these are common nouns. Names of buildings, bank, hotel, school, these are common nouns. Fox, cow, monkey, names of animals. So names of things, tools, table, chair, box, these all are common nouns. In the same way, names of fruits and vegetables, these are also common nouns. Keep this point a note that when we are talking about a common noun, and if a proper noun is used, but there is written the before that proper noun, it becomes a common noun. If there is written the, before that proper noun, it becomes a common noun. It functions as a common noun. Let's say Kalidas is considered to be the Shakespeare of India. In this sentence, Kalidas would be the proper noun, but here, when the word is written before that Shakespeare, so Shakespeare becomes common noun. Okay. Many a times, many students get confused between here that when we write days of the week as proper nouns, but here names of fruits, why they are written as common nouns. Days, we know that Sunday, Monday, we are talking about a particular day. So they are proper nouns. But here, when we are talking about fruits, vegetables, apple, orange, we do not know which apple we are talking about. So names of fruits and vegetables are always common nouns. Let's go ahead. These are collective nouns. The nouns which name a group or collection of people, animals, or things of the same kind, describe as one whole, are called collective nouns. Let's continue with the collective nouns. The nouns which name a group or a collection of people, animals, or things of the same kind, described as one whole, are called collective nouns. So that means, in simple words, when we are talking about a group of people, group of animals, or group of things who are same alike, so we call them, we use collective noun. For example, we use the word team, team of players, group, group of students. Okay, jury, jury we use for the words group of judges. Okay, crowd, crowd is a group of persons, human beings. Family, family is also a collective noun. Names of a group of animals, group of animals, just like flock. Flock is a group of sheep. Pack, litter, litter is group of puppies. Pride, pride is a group of lions. So for even animals, when we talk about a group, we have different names, name for that group. These, when we give a name to a group of people, animal, or things, we call them collective nouns. So names of groups of things, what do we use for things? Just like bunch, bunch of keys. Bundle, bundle of sticks. Fleet, fleet we can use for buses, fleet of buses. Bouquet, bouquet of flowers. Okay, so here we are talking about groups, groups of people, animal, and things. Let's go ahead. The next comes material nouns. Material nouns are the nouns which name the substances or matter of which things are made, are called material nouns. That means when we are talking about such nouns or such things, names of such things which are used in the preparation of other things, that means working as a raw material for making some other things, that are called material nouns. For example, iron, gold, silver, wood, rice, water, milk, sugar. These all are material nouns because from these things we can make some other things. Okay. Last comes abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are the names of feelings, feelings, qualities, ideas, actions, or states. That other things, the things that we cannot touch or see, we can only feel, we can only observe, we can only experience. These things are called abstract nouns. For example, happiness, sadness, poverty, smile, youth, laughter, beauty, mercy, joy, jealousy. These all are abstract nouns, which we can only feel, we can observe, we cannot touch and see. So these all are called abstract nouns. Here it comes the end when we have discussed all the kinds of nouns. I hope everybody is clear. Let's have activity. Okay. So here we start with an activity. Identify the type of noun. I have written few sentences over here. You can pause your video for a second, read all those sentences and let me know that are you able to identify the kind of nouns? And then we'll continue. Shall we start? I hope everybody has seen them. Okay. So first sentence is love conquers all. What is the noun here? The noun here is love. Okay, love. Love means, and which type this is? This is abstract noun. Very good. Birds fly. What is the noun here? Birds. Great. Birds means common noun. The crowd is angry. Crowd. Which noun? Collective noun. Meera sings well. What is the noun here? Meera. Meera is a proper noun. Water is precious. This is quite difficult. Understood? Water. Water is material noun. Okay. So here it comes the end. After the video, I'm going to share few assignments with you. Please solve the assignments all before going to the next video, before learning the next topic. First, solve all the videos. If you face any doubts, put your doubts in the comment box and you will get a reply quickly. Okay.